constantly switching payment processors. Every change resets your history and puts your course business at a higher risk for holds and downtime. Here's a simple manual way to strengthen your processor relationship long term. Create a quick processor relationship log in Google Docs and record every major update, pricing changes, refund trends, or new offers. This creates a transparent history that helps processors see your business as consistent and low risk. But even with good documentation, most processors don't actually build long term partnerships. They just react when something goes wrong. That's where EasyPay Direct stands out. They specialize in long term relationships with course creators, tracking your business growth, and working directly with their partner banks to keep your merchant account stable year after year. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check how their proactive monitoring and dedicated support help you grow without worrying about processor turnover. Don't restart your payment history every few months. With EasyPay Direct, you build a lasting processor relationship that supports your growth and keeps your business running smoothly. Click the link in the description to get started today.